Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a path of exile not launching. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, right click on it, go to properties, and then here you just need to write minus D3D11, and then after that look if the problem persists or not, if the game is launching or not. If the game do not launch, then try to write dash windowed, and the game should Steam should force game to open in windowed mode, and in some cases it should fix your problem. So go ahead and then hit play, and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then try to instead of D3D11 write dash Vulkan, and then look if the problem persists or not, right? If the problem persists, the game is not working, what I suggest to do here next is to right click on the game, properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. After that, if the game do not launch, go to press browse here. Then you need to look for path of exile, this file, right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure to disable full screen optimizations, run this program as administrator. Change high DPI settings, select override high DPI scaling behavior, applications, hit apply, and then look if the problem persists. This should fix your all problems. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.